AI writing is everywhere. Essays, blogs, and even research papers. Tools like ChatGPT can generate an entire academic essay in seconds. Pretty cool, right? But here's the problem. How do we separate genuine human work from AI-generated text, especially in research? That's where SciSpace AI Detector comes in. It's an academia-focused tool that's setting new benchmarks in AI detection. Today, I'll walk you through how it works, test it out, and show you why it's outperforming other big names like GPTZero, Grammarly, Quillbot, and ZeroGPT. Writing a proper research paper takes time, effort, and critical thinking. AI outputs often lack evidence, citations, and accuracy, posing big risks for academic integrity. That's why SciSpace built this detector, specifically trained on research papers, citations, and scholarly styles. It's not just another general-purpose detector. In fact, they conducted a benchmarking study on 4,000 samples across research papers, essays, news, and summaries. The result? SciSpace scored an incredible 96.2% on research papers, higher than any competitor. That means it's the most reliable detector for academia right now. Alright, let's see how this works. Now I am on SciSpace.com logged in as a user, and if you see on the left, we have a bunch of tools that SciSpace offers. I have previously made some videos on some other tools, but here I'm going to focus on this tool called AI Detector. Once I click on it, you'll see this simple interface where I can provide an input text or upload a PDF. I can mention whether this is scientific or non-scientific and then click Analyze. And once you do that, you'll see your analysis report on the right. For the first example, I'll try out this paper about machine learning methods from this well-known research website. I'm going to copy a piece of text from here. Now this is 62 pages long, but I'm only going to get a certain amount of text because as you see here, we have a limitation of around 1500 words if you just copy direct text. So I'm going to paste it right here. It shows 1490 out of 1500 words, which is perfect. I'm going to select the scientific option and click Analyze. And right away, we have our final AI detection report, which marks this as essentially human, which is correct because this is an actual research paper and not generated by AI. It is finding some things which might be AI, but it makes the final call as this being 0% AI written. Now, let me try copying this exact title and go to Gemini and ask for a research paper. Generate a research paper on this topic. Now here, I'm going to click Start Research, and Gemini actually starts a full thorough research on this topic and generate me a paper. But even though the final result might be pretty good, it will still be AI generated. And we can find out how good SciSpace's academic AI detector is. Now, as you see here, Gemini is doing a pretty thorough research on this topic from different sources, and some of them are actual research sources. So I expect the final result to be pretty good. Alright, I have my final result ready. I'm going to copy some text from this and try it out on the AI detector. Let's go up to here, right in the middle here, and I'm going to clear that and paste it right there. This is around 1012 words, which is perfect. I'm going to make this scientific and click Reanalyze. And there we have it. This is marked as 100% AI. That means the text is almost entirely produced using AI without any contribution from humans. And it marks 28 out of 51 sentences AI written, with a lot of them as high AI. Now, if you look at the color schemes here, the ones which are marked as dark red are the most AI sounding, followed by the ones which are orange, and followed by the ones which are yellow. Now, it does provide some ways to improve the score if you are using AI for anything. You can either paraphrase your text, change the tool or writing style, and improve the grammar and pronunciation. Till now, I have been inputting text which is up to 1500 words long at a time, but you can also upload an entire PDF where you have a limit of 50 pages or 100 megabytes. I'm going to try the same thing with a different research paper. So here I have this fun study called The Case of the Disappearing Teaspoons, and here I'm going to download the PDF. And this is only 3 pages long. So I'm going to download this and upload the PDF by clicking right in the middle here. And then I'm going to click Analyze. And as expected, this text is marked completely human. If you want to get the final report in a PDF format, you can download this PDF report as well. SciSpace AI Detector also keeps a history of every single scan you have done. For example, I did 2 text scans and 1 PDF scans. You can find them both here in the bottom. This isn't just for students worried about plagiarism. Professors can use it to check assignments, journals can use it to screen manuscripts, and even professional writers or marketers can use it to avoid getting flagged by Google for low-quality AI content. With institutions like Springer and ICMJE already banning undisclosed AI in papers, tools like this are becoming essential. Now, in a previous video, I had gone over the SciSpace agent in detail. I'll have the video linked in my description. In this video, I want to go over some updates to this product which might be really useful to you. First up, citations in chat. Now, every answer comes with clickable interactive citations that show the paper's title, authors, and references right inside the chat. Next, Agent Gallery. This one's huge. You can now explore ready-made AI agents built for specific research tasks, from literature reviews and PowerPoint creation to manuscript writing and grant proposals. Basically, no prompt engineering needed. And here's my favorite, bookmark papers. Whenever you find a paper using the agent, you can save it right to your SciSpace library, organize it into collections, and come back anytime. It's like having your own research workspace fully synced. If you want to try SciSpace AI Detector for yourself, click the link in the description below and use my exclusive coupon code to get started today. And I'd love to know, do you think AI detectors should become mandatory in universities? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading and replying.